Bret Baier has been working the phones. He joins our coverage now. And Bret, what do you have for us?
Oh, sorry. We just got off the phone with the former president, and he said this: I am thrilled that a judge had the courage and wisdom to do this. This has big implications, not just for this case, but for other cases. The special counsel worked with everyone to try to take me down. This is a big deal. It only makes this convention more positive. This will be an amazing week. He said again and again that this was a big decision. He pointed to, Justice Thomas and the questioning in the Supreme Court on this very issue about the special counsel, but seemed to indicate that he thought that this would have implications for other cases. He did confirm that he's going to make a VP choice today, and he said, Bret, there's other surprises to come. So I don't know what that means.
Okay, so if he's going to,
I wanted to get reaction from the former president.
Yeah, if he's going to make his choice today, will we hear it today? Did he answer that?
Yes. Yeah, we're going to get a VP today. And he said there's other things to come. I don't know what that means. But the big reaction was that he is thrilled, and he was really praising Judge Cannon, who he said from the beginning had the demeanor that she was not going to put up with garbage. And he thinks that this has big implications for other cases as well. He's thrilled. Think about this moment, though, as you guys are all talking about the legal implications, the political implications of all of this in the wake of what just happened on Saturday. He's alive, for just centimeters of a bullet going by. He is now, praising God that he's here. He is projecting that he's going to try to unify a convention and give a different message than he originally was thinking he was going to give. He said he tore up the 20-page speech and has reworked it, and he thinks that this is the time for the country to come together. We'll see if that delivers by the time he gets to the stage. But this moment right here, this decision, is another amazing positive thing for former President Donald Trump.
It's really incredible, but the election for a long time felt like it was kind of sleepy, right? We didn't have the primary season that we thought we would, and then all of a sudden now it's like minute by minute we are having incredible stories drop. Thank you so much.
I'm Steve Doocy.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.